Network Entertainment.
Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Ella. At ito
ang
ang Kwentong Callroom powered by the Pod Network. O ano?
Ano?
Sorry, bakit ganito boses ko? Paos na paos.
Excited ako for this episode.
Ako din.
Kasi ano talaga to, nung nalaman ko na balak niyang mag-med, tinapangan ko talaga mag-message na.
So talagang yun yung mag-guest natin today.
Oo, hindi ko in-expect na mag-reply.
Grabe no. Galing. Tapos ang ganda nung timing talaga.
Oo.
Kasi wala rin tayong ganito episode pa.
Actually,
Nakaka-enmat lang.
Ang layo na kasi natin sa NMAT.
Very thunders na kasi
Feeling
natin,
ko iba na
no?
yung format ng NMAT ngayon.
Talaga ba?
Feeling ko lang, tanong natin siya mamaya.
Oo, kasi-
Kung ano pa yung mga subjects.
Kasi naalala ko, nahirapan ako dun sa mga mag-change yung shapes,
Yung
ganyan.
spatial,
Oo,
no?
buko
Kaya hindi ako
dun.
nag-surgery kasi parang, ba't naging ganyan?
Kaya hindi ako mahina ako sa Google Maps. Parang, nasa na ako?
Diba?
Ganyan.
Diba?
So, may guest tayo.
Oo, may guest tayo.
Ayan. Pero before that,
Pinakamaikling intro. Before that,
we
go.
are Kwentong Callroom Podcast. We're best friends and doctors and our goal is to demystify and humanize medicine. So if you've been here since we started in 2022, welcome. Thank you for staying on, listening to our podcast, for sharing, liking, subscribing. Magugustuhan niyo 'tong episode na to. Sure na ako. Hindi na ako magpo-promote.
Agree. Dahil dyan, joke lang. Hindi.
Hindi,
Para sa mga new listeners, feeling ko kinlik mo to kasi either one, fan ka niya. Number 2, curious ka, paano kaya ma-haggard in a duty ang isang
Hindi pa niya alam, babe.
Ay, sorry, ha? Hindi, paano kaya,
Oo.
parang exciting, no? Or
Oo,
paano kaya yung
oo.
itsura nila pag ma-haggard ba siya? Or parang, feeling ko yung pre-duty ko, post-duty niya itsura yun. Parang ganun.
Ay, ganun.
Oo, feeling ko. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun nga, parang hindi pa tayo nakapag-interview ng magme-med.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Yes. And iba I remember, iba yung anxiety ko nung magme-med. As in yung before mag-med. As
Oo.
I really felt like, oh my God, this is a big life change. And na finally, ito na yung gusto kong gawin.
Kasi
It's
di ba
so daunting
nag-pre-med ka? Kasi parang gusto mo talaga mag-med.
Yeah,
Yun yung goal
yeah.
mo, di ba, nung nag-pre-med ka?
Ako yun. That was my story.
Ako ganun din. Mamaya
Oo.
tanong natin siya.
Yeah. So,
Diba?
without further ado,
Oo. Ang tumalo sa NMAT score ni Linda Walker.
ay! Tawagin na natin.
Tawagin natin siya.
Oo. Si Rabi. Ay. Ayan.
Nipis niya sa camera.
Oo, oh my God. Times 2 ako, be.
Oh.
Naka-block pa naman kami both.
Oo nga. Sinadya mo yan, oh.
Hindi kami nag-usap, be. Pero,
Hi, Doc Ella. Hi, Doc G.
Hi.
Being on your show. I'm so excited. And thank you for messaging me. Actually, at first nibago nga ako na may nag-invite sa akin to talk about, my background as a healthcare professional na magme-medicine. So, I'm sure this is going to be a good show this afternoon.
Ay.
say hi to our
Hi po.
viewers.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Kamusta po kayo? My name is Rubia Mateo, your Miss Universe Philippines 2020 and your future MD.
Oh!
Talo ka doon.
Wala na. Alis na ako.
Di mo natanong, nag-pageant din yan.
Wow.
siya. Oo, may pageant history yan.
Pero kasi yung pageant history ko, kasi dati merong tradition sa UP Med, na, ang tawag doon ay Lady Med. So we have a statue in UP, si Lady Med.
Oo, yun lang. Tapos,
parang siya yung Triumph of Science over Death. So nakaganon siya, tapos may skull sa paanan niya. Tapos
Yeah.
yung tradition ay, guys yung sumasali, pero we cross-dress.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like before drag happened.
Okay.
Tapos
Kayo yung OG pala.
Oo.
Ganon.
Tapos, wala na yun. So, siya ang
Tinanggal na.
reigning.
After ko manalo, tinanggal na nila. Parang, oo.
Siya ang reigning Lady Med.
So,
Tapos yung theme, kunento na lahat. Oh.
Basta yun. Oo.
Yan, so ano pala to? Pageant. Okay. So, meron kaming hindi nasabi sa orientation.
Okay.
Med school interview ito.
Oh my God.
Joke
Sige,
lang.
I'm prepared.
wow.
Joke lang.
Sa Miss Universe, prepared talaga siya.
Oo, pero meron kaming part of this podcast that we call rapid rounds. So,
Okay.
it's about like rounds in a hospital, pero fast talk siya.
Okay,
Yeah.
sige. Sana hindi ako magkamali. Wala namang right or wrong.
Wala
Okay,
naman. Hindi to
sige.
right minus wrong.
Hindi mo rin kailangan mag-explain.
Yes.
Mamaya na siguro.
Kailangan mabilis ang sagot lang.
Yes.
Whatever pops in your head first.
Yes.
Ayan.
Let's do it.
JB will be asking the questions.
Okay, ready ka na ba, Rebecca?
Ngayon na talaga. Akala ko mamaya.
Ayun, next episode pa ba? Ngayong episode na natin.
Mag-uusap muna tayo. Fast talk na agad.
May maraming practice sa med. Practice
Okay,
ito.
sige.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oral exam. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Beach or bundok?
Bundok.
Comfort food?
Sinigang.
Ay, Ay, baboy?
Hipon.
Hipon.
Hipon na.
Okay. Swimsuit or evening gown?
Swimsuit.
Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Scrubs or white coat?
White coat.
Ay.
Favorite college subject?
Anatomy.
Ay,
Ay,
sakto.
sakto.
Origin, insertion, or action? Pumili ka sa tatlo. Anong gusto mo doon?
Nerve supply. Wala bang nerve supply?
In fairness. Oo, important yun.
Okay, sige. Napupusuan mong specialization?
For now, pediatrics.
Oh.
Utak o puso?
Pwede both. I can do both. I think.
Ay!
Ganda.
Miss Universe. Agree.
Oo, tama.
Okay. In another life, ako ay blank.
Ako ay... Parang wala akong maisip. Bakit wala akong
Alam mo,
maisip?
that's good. It means this is the life she wants.
Yeah.
Oo.
Parang wala akong maisip in another life. Parang lahat naman ng dreams na gusto kong magawa, nagawa ko siya sa different timeline ng buhay ko. So kung may maisip pa akong isang pangarap, siguro after na ng MD, who knows? So,
Ang ganda ng perspective na yun. Parang you get different versions of yourself.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Galing. O, tuloy mo yan.
Sige. It's the long weekend. Ako ay nasa blank.
It's a long weekend. Ako ay nasa BGC.
Ganda.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Coffee?
Okay, dadami pa yan sa med. Kakanta o sasayaw?
Kakanta.
Instagram or TikTok?
Instagram.
Okay. Teacher or doctor?
Doctor.
Iloilo o Manila?
For now, nandito yung pera sa Manila.
Okay.
Tama yan.
Okay. Favorite Ilonggo dish?
KBL. Kajos, Baboy Langka. Yeah.
Agree.
Okay. Second to the last question. In 3 words, why do you want to become a doctor?
In 3 words, it's a calling.
Ay,
Pasok? Pasok
oo,
sa'yo.
contraction naman. Pag contraction, it's, yes.
Pasok.
Pag contraction, naging 1 yan. Okay.
Last question. 3 things you're looking forward to in med school. 3 things.
Clerkship.
Ay, clerkship agad. Okay, sige, go. Push.
Clerkship, to meet new people. And siguro yung tinatawag nilang parang revalida. The oral revalida.
Wow.
Yung,
But
Look forward mo talaga yun.
yung pinakaganon na agad.
As a Miss Universe.
Laban.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi pwedeng first day in white uniform. Stethoscope.
Oh,
Yeah.
galing. You really are Miss
Oo,
Universe.
Phenomenal.
Yeah. Okay. So, I hope medyo na break ang
Parang
ice.
medyo hindi nga eh. Na-stress ako lalo.
Hindi, pag-usapan pa natin. So, of course, we're really interested to know about your journey towards becoming an MD. Kwento mo naman, paano siya nagsimula, yung pangarap na yon?
Parang ever since feeling ko before pa ako mag-college, I've always wanted to become a doctor because my dad is a doctor sa US. So, nung naghahanap ako ng pre-med course, yung mom ko yung nagsuggest na physical therapy kasi may mga subjects tayo like anatomy, physio, especially then yung patient care. So, medyo mahasa ka sa aspect na yon. And then after, may ibang binigay sa akin si Destiny. So, hindi ko agad kaya mag-medicine because I can't afford to send myself to school kasi breadwinner ako. So, I need to provide for my brother who's still taking up physical therapy then. So, nasa ganun talaga yung line ng family namin. And then, nung nag-artista na ako after Miss Universe, nandun pa rin siya eh. Parang kinukulit niya pa rin ako from time to time na what if mag-doktor ako. Tapos palagi kong sinasabi na tatapusin ko lang yung kontrata ko with my network. Which is very grateful din talaga ako sa GMA because they gave me the opportunities that I needed for me to save you know, the amount of money that I needed to be, you know, financially free from anything, you know, any responsibility. So, every time na naiisip ko siya, every time, you know, napapanood akong mga TV shows about it, like House MD, Grey's Anatomy. Parang feeling
abot
ko
kamay na pangarap. Local, di ba?
Ni Jillian Ward yan. Yun yun.
Shout out po.
Diba?
Yeah, parang feeling ko, nandun pa rin siya. May spark pa rin in my heart. And then, nung natapos na yung kontrata, they offered me another 3 years. Tapos sabi ko, wait lang, parang hinga muna ako. Parang I really wanna know kung para saan talaga ako. It wasn't an easy journey kasi marami ding pressure kasi I remember yung management ko, sila yung, hindi naman nag-discourage, pero sila yung nagmulat sa eyes ko na, nandun ka na eh. You're earning this amount of money. Tapos babalik ka sa pag-aaral mo. You're gonna start from scratch. Pero cliche man siya pakinggan. Pero money and fame, they're not everything in life. So, nandun pa rin talaga ako sa purpose ko na I wanna heal people. I want God to use me as His medium, my knowledge, my experience to help His people. So, yun. Nag-review ako for NMAT.
Dati gusto ko mag-artista. Ang random. Hindi, wala lang kasi
Thanks for sharing.
Hindi niya kasi yung partner kasi gustong-gusto niya talaga maging
Gusto ko
doctor.
talaga. Pero
Di
not
ba?
all people do understand it. Don't get me wrong. Hindi nila naiintindihan kasi for them, nanghihinayang sila. Because
Oo.
a lot of people want, the spot or the opportunities that I'm having. Tapos ako naman, naghahanap ako ng iba pa.
Yeah. Oo. That's so interesting kasi marami na who start out as wanting to be doctors and have that plan in mind. And then a number of things happen. And then when, you start earning already, you're already financially capable, you're already able to do what you
Sabi
want.
kasi nung makakilala ko na batchmate ko nung college, yung nagtrabaho na sila, iba na yung hatak pag kumikita ka na.
Parang tatamarin ka na.
Tatamarin ka na mag-med.
Actually,
Ayaw mo talaga.
Isang advice sa akin before, kasi after pre-med, sabi, diretso mo na sa med kung gusto mo.
Yeah.
Kasi daw, kapag nagkaroon ka ng interval, mas mahirap nang
Nawawala yung
bumalik.
momentum, Doc.
Yeah, but you're an example of kapag may calling,
Yeah.
tumatawa
Gusto mo
siya.
talaga,
Yeah.
Oo.
Yung parang napapaniginipan mo siya sa
Totoo ba?
Yeah, parang nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko na naka-white coat, na may stethoscope. And promise ko talaga sa self ko na mag-iipon lang talaga ako.
Oh, ang galing. Because you're able to keep that promise now. Ang galing.
So nung nag-PT ka, talagang plan mo talaga mag-med? Or did you
Consider-
plan to practice
We're-
PT as a physical therapist pa?
May mga naging opportunities din na munti ka na akong mag-apply din sa US,
Yeah,
may agency
yeah.
na ako, and then pandemic happened. Meaning, hindi talaga siya will ni Lord. Siguro there were redirections. Ang dami ding doors na nag-close. And then, before I took my NMAT, I was in the US for 3 months. So,
Okay.
I was also testing the waters. I was thinking kung magdo-doctorate degree ba ako sa physical therapy, na mag-enroll ako sa Utica University sa New York. Tapos, nag-observe din ako ng trabaho doon ng mga PT. Pero iba na talaga yung calling. I mean, ever since naman po, nung PT student ako, hindi ako magaling sa clinics, pero magaling ako sa theories, sa pag-aaral. Tapos, after I got my license, hindi na ako nag-volunteer, hindi na ako nag-work sa hospital. Nagturo na po ako sa review center as a
oo nga.
lecturer. So, parang dun talaga, gusto ko talaga mag-aral palagi.
You're so, hindi kasi parang, alam mo yung gusto mo yung student ka.
Yeah.
Yung tapos parang, there's this magic kapag nag-click yung isang bagay na parang, oh my God, gets ko na.
Naintindihan mo.
Yan!
Naintindihan mo.
Diba? It's so...
Eureka! Parang gano'n. Oh my God.
Oo.
Okay.
Kaya parang kinikrave mo yun, no? Yung
Yes.
parang learning
it's also
something.
the challenge na at
Yeah.
first it's so hard to understand. Tapos pag nakuha mo na siya, doon mo nakukuha yung validation na hindi, kaya mo lang.
Oo.
It takes this mindset that separates you from the rest.
Madaming ganyan sa med school.
Yes, yes.
Biochem pa lang.
Oo.
I heard. I heard.
Parang ano ka, no? Parang you like a challenge.
Yes. Parang minsan naboboard na ako pag palagi yung ginagawa.
Okay.
Tapos kasi pag doktor ka, everyday, different patients.
Yes.
Different history.
That's very true. That's very true.
Diba?
Iba-ibang
Especially
combination.
ngayon, yung gusto ko sanang tahakin is to be a pediatrician. So, syempre, you're gonna be dealing with the kid and the parents, dalawa yung pasyente mo. So, parang I like the challenge. But more than that, siguro it's also my way of giving back to my community kasi okay ka na eh. Diba?
Oh, that's such a beautiful way to put it. You mentioned your father playing
Yes.
a big part in your dream to be a doctor. May I know what he did or not necessarily ano yung training niya, pero how did he affect your dreams?
Okay. Kasi parang medyo bad story with
Ay, sorry.
my dad.
sorry. Okay.
Hindi naman. Pero I think now he's urologist in the
Okay,
US.
okay.
Pero wala talaga kaming communication.
Okay.
However, nung bata talaga ako, palagi akong i-inspire ng mom ko na yung dad ko daw, kahit hindi na siya makabili, kahit itlog na lang everyday yung kinakain niya, as long as mabili niya lahat ng books. So, tumatak siya sa akin na yung dad ko, matalino siya. And I wanna be like him. Kahit hindi kami magkasama. So, kahit wala siyang part sa paglaki ko, sa growth ko as a person, pero he has been an inspiration na I wanna be like him.
Ganda. And ang ganda nung you want to, parang nakikita ko pa rin yung gusto mo ng challenge. Gusto mo,
Yes.
ito yung image ko of myself and I want to get there. Ang ganda.
Mga Immortal, listen to the Underpaid Podcast with me, Stanley Chi, wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagchichismisan lang tayo or nagkukwentuhan. Listen for free on Spotify, Apple Podcast, or kung saan ka man nakikinig ng podcast. Kita-kits!
So, yung dream na to, what were the steps you take? Like, what happened? What was the decision making in going to physical therapy, and how did you prepare for the NMAT? Ganyan.
Yeah.
Especially with your busy schedule. I imagine that would be so difficult.
Pero it was a sacrifice talaga kasi when I was reviewing for NMAT, I would always tell myself na I cannot serve 2 masters at the same time. So kaya hindi talaga ako nag-renew with my network kasi gusto ko talaga focus ako. But it wasn't easy. For the first 3 months, I was doing self-review and I was really having a hard time because the subjects are closer to high school topics compared to
Yes.
college. So
Actually, no.
So it's been a while. Like I graduated 8 years, 7 years ago. It's been a while. So I'm really having a hard time grasping for the topics like physics, chemistry, what else? Biology, so, pero hindi kasi siya purely human anatomy.
Yes,
Hindi siya
yes,
human
yes.
body. So medyo dehado ako
May mga
doon,
vertebrates.
diba?
Yeah,
Yes.
tsaka,
Diba?
kaya nga ayoko ng
May
bio
plants.
dati. Kasi parang ayoko ng halaman, babe. Ay, sorry. No offense to plants.
Grabe
pero,
sa mga halaman.
Sorry po sa mga
No-offense
halaman.
sila.
Pero, I get it.
Yes.
Yung interest ko is in the human body.
Yes.
Ganyan.
So, it's like you're starting from scratch and you need to learn almost a foreign language all over again.
Yeah.
So for the first 3 months, I did introduce myself to these topics. And then I realized na hindi siya enough.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna take the NMAT exam na hindi ako prepared. Hindi ako siguradong mataas yung score ko. Yes, yun pa yung goal ko. Na mataas
Agree.
talaga,
Tama,
reach for
tama.
the
Sa
stars.
totoo na lang tayo.
Oo. Diba? So I did enroll myself in a review center.
Okay.
Tapos 4 months ulit ako nag-review. Maganda naman kasi ngayon, parang may yung recorded videos na
Yes,
anytime
yes.
ulit-ulit mo na. So I would spend like 2 to 3 hours a day trying to learn, chemistry. Balik na naman tayo doon. Simple topics. Pero ako, more than the depth, memorize ko talaga lahat. Parang, inuna ko muna na lahat ng topics ma-cover ko.
Okay.
Which I think is effective then. Plus, my background sa review center, which
Good. Oo nga.
it allowed me yung test-taking strategy, which
Oo,
is very important.
Important
Yeah.
yun.
Na kahit hindi mo alam yung topic,
Elimination,
makukuha mo
kineso.
pa rin yung tamang sagot
Oo.
because you were able to eliminate at least 2.
Yes.
50% na yun.
Yeah,
Pwede na.
50% na pwede mo na.
Oo.
So, ganun po siya. So, yung iba kasi ng mga students ngayon, while studying, they would take their NMAT. So, hindi talaga sila nakakapaglaan.
Yes.
During third year, kailan ka nag-take? Fourth year ako nag-take eh.
I took it twice kasi praning ako.
Sigurista siya eh.
Pero pareho lang yung score.
Pero at least you tried.
Oo.
Yeah,
So, ang galing. At this has a lot of good tips for those who are about to take the NMAT. Kasi, yun nga, hindi nga tayo same. Totoo yung sinabi mo, it's really closer to high school. Kaya nga
Actually,
frustrating. Kasi I kept thinking when I was taking the NMAT, if I was a second year high school student,
Yeah,
I would
we were
ace
able to
this.
answer it.
Yeah, as in, super dali lang nito kung
It's
second
like
year.
a reflex.
Yeah.
Na wala, no-brainer. But then, after college, 7 years, is 5 years. 5 years kasi yung PT, di ba? So, ang tagal na 12 years.
Yeah, totoo.
Syempre, nawala na din talaga yung topic in my head. So,
Ano yung pinaka-challenging for you nung inaaral mo ulit?
chemistry. It was the elements talaga.
Same.
Mahirap siya intindihin. Mabuti na lang madadali lang yung mga tinanong sa
Sa pure sciences talaga,
Yes.
my worst is chemistry.
Chemistry.
Ikaw ba?
Bio. Kung ano ba yung course ko?
Share ko lang, biology, summa cum laude siya. Pero, nahirapan siya sa bio.
Kasi mas gusto ko yung chem.
Mama!
Mas gusto ko yung chem. Mas gusto ko yung chem.
Bahala ka dyan, kami na lang ni Rabiu.
Or yung spatial. Diba sabi nga natin, yung
Hindi,
spatial.
yung sa NMAT. Pero sa sciences kasi, pinakamahirap sa akin yung...
ata.
Uy, ewan ko sa'yo.
Kasi feeling ko, nag-lax ako kasi yun na yung course ko.
Yeah.
So, nireview ko yung iba. Tapos pagdating ng NMAT, Bakit ang hirap?
Hirap.
Ay,
Baliktad.
Even yung social studies. Pero medyo din naman siya.
May social studies ba tayo?
meron ba? Oo.
Meron ba? Akala ko nag-iba na kasi yung NMAT.
Parang yung subject, so nakita ko naman same.
Same.
Oo.
Ilang araw ang NMAT pa?
Isa lang, di ba?
Isang
One
upuan
day
lang.
lang ba?
Yeah,
Oo.
tapos ngayon kasi online na siya.
Okay. Ayan, I didn't know. Okay.
So, parang ilang minutes ba yung binigay sa amin? Parang siguro nasa 5 hours din in total.
Okay,
So,
okay.
divided siya into 2
Okay.
topics. Pero I agree with you. Sobrang hirap ng perceptual acuity.
Yes,
Yung
yes.
inductive reasoning. Yun din yung
Yes.
pinakamababa.
Yung parang
ko.
ano yung susunod?
Oo,
Ewan ko.
parang, ano to kapag nasa top view? Don't know.
Hindi talagang hirap niya. Especially meron pa yung find the missing piece.
Yes.
Parang maglalagay sila letters dito sa hanapin mo sa 5 choices kung nasan yung scene na yun.
Parang siya yung yung are you a human? Kapag parang ganun siya. oo.
I-verify ka.
So, pero obviously, all your labors have borne fruit,
Ay, thank
diba?
you, Lord.
Yeah. Congratulations. Hindi pa natin siya congrats. Congratulations.
Thank you.
on that.
And mat pa lang po yun, marami pa akong kakainin.
Interested ako dun sa online. Paano siya? Like, is there a secret
Meron
link? Or
silang, they would send you the link sa Gmail mo and then may proctor ka. Pero hindi mo nakikita yung proctor mo, pero nakikita ka nila.
Asa naka-on yung webcam mo?
Yes.
Ah.
And even your microphone, naka-on siya. So, in the middle, kung kailan maisipan ng proctor, magpapa-environmental check siya.
guys, so I was gonna ask kung may
Room tour.
room tour. Biglang nag-vlog.
Pinapakita. Tapos minsan pinapaulit nila.
Oh, I see.
Pag
Okay.
medyo, siguro pag may
Wala
suspicion
nang
sila.
in-person option. Lahat online.
Parang wala na. Pero I heard, ibabalik daw nila ulit. So, hindi ko sure.
Okay.
Pero, ako din, very traditional student. Ako, mas gusto ko pa talaga na sa paper talaga na nag-exam.
Nag-highlight ka pa din, ganon?
Yes.
Oh my
Nagsusulat pa ako ng
God.
side notes ko. Kasi yung iba lahat, the iPad na, I'm having a hard time.
Alam mo, so we teach students kasi in medical school. So, napapansin talaga namin, kami na lang yung nakapapel. Yung iba, scroll na sila, tapos may naka-iPad.
Slides na,
Oo,
diba?
tapos lahat naka-Canva. Wala nang PowerPoint.
Actually,
Ang galing.
Wala nang PowerPoint.
Canva na
Meron
ngayon.
naman, pero Canva ng mga bata
pag PowerPoint,
ngayon.
parang ancient ka na.
Ay, hindi naman. Wag mo baka
Ay, sorry.
naman gamitin. Grabe. Pero, 'di ba, parang yung challenges din talaga. Akala ko nga may back mirror pa. Ganun ginagawa nung pandemic.
Oo.
Wala naman.
Wala
During our
naman.
time.
Parang
Wala.
two-way, three-way. Basta two-way
Pero
camera.
I remember, kinall out ako ng proctor kasi nasistress ako. So, nakatakip yung bibig ko. Tapos nag-exam ako. Tapos pinaremove niya yung hand ko from my mouth. Kasi baka akala niya, binubulong ko na yung question.
Number 3.
Pero
So, very din sila. Parang nakabantay din talaga yung proctor sa'yo.
to give you context, yung sa amin dati, everyone went to UST. As in, sobrang
Tama,
traffic.
UST
UST
yun.
lahat. Lahat kasi yun yung kaya mag-accommodate. Tapos, sobrang traffic ng UST. Sunday yan lagi. Tapos, para lahat pupunta sabay-sabay.
Pero
Tapos,
one day lang din.
One day
Yung
lang.
naalala ko noon, kasabay namin si Robbie Domingo mag-exam.
Wow.
Ay, wow. Shout out to Robbie Domingo.
Oo. Pero hindi siya
Robbie.
nag-med, pero may plans siya mag-med before.
Baka gusto mo rin mag-guest, Robbie.
Baka ni Robbie.
Ayan. So, after that, ano nang tumakbo sa isip mo after the NMAT?
Oo
How
nga,
are you
nung
planning
nakuha
for
ko
it
na yung
na?
score mo. Parang,
After I got the result, kailangan ko na mag-apply ng med school,
Okay,
di ba?
okay.
expire yun, di ba? In 2 years ba?
May ganun pa ba? May
2
ganun
years,
pa
may
din.
expired
May 2
Okay.
years validity pa naman siya. But the thing is, kasi I was so happy. So yung mga friends ko, they were so proud of me.
Oo.
Na pinost din nila sa wall nila, sa stories nila yung score ko. Tapos sabi ko, ito na yung pressure kasi medyo late siya. Yung submission of application,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
deadline is parang around second week of Feb.
Yeah,
Tapos yung
oo.
results ko, lumabas siya first week of March. So ilang schools na lang talaga din yung maa-apply ko.
Okay,
Pero
okay.
good thing naman na yung dream school ko,
Okay.
open pa naman siya during that time. So,
Are we allowed to
Which
talk
is?
about it?
baka hindi ako
Sige. Mamaya
Bigyan ka
na.
namin ng tips dyan. Okay.
Sige.
Okay lang. Sige.
Pero yung clue na lang, wala dong interview. Submission
okay.
lang ng lahat ng application.
Oh, so
Okay.
exciting.
Yeah,
Okay.
so magkakaalaman. Kung hindi ako mag-enroll ngayon, alam nyo nang
Alam mo. Pero ang good thing nga naman ay you can use it dito. Kasi
Yes.
dati nga sa amin, dati kasi pwedeng third year ka mag-take or even second year if you feel like you're ready.
Second year? Pag 2 years validity?
Hindi, kaya nga hindi.
Ay,
Pero
hindi.
parang kung gusto mo lang, pwede.
Okay.
Ngayon kasi 4th year lang. Parang basta graduating or last year of college na lang pwede. Hindi na pwede yung younger. Hindi ko alam bakit nagkagan. Pero recent, siguro in the last 5 years lang yun. So, dati, sigurista nga ako, pero pareho lang naman yung score ko. Gusto ko kasi, pangarap ko kasi dati mag 99 plus. Pero sorry. Pero ang galing, yung pinost mo, nagkaroon tuloy ng trend na mag-post ng mga NMAT score.
Actually, no. Nagka-throwback yung mga tao.
Alam mo, gusto ko nga sana dalhin for you, kaso hindi ko na mahanap yung
Ay, hindi ko
NMAT
na
score
mahanap
ko,
yung
be.
NMAT
As
score
in,
ko.
tas, alam mo, sa totoo, hindi ko na rin maalala kung ano yung score ko. Yung individual parts,
Yeah.
ganyan. Pero, so, we're waiting for that, no? But ano yung mga nilolook forward mo na about med
Clerkship siya agad kanina.
Kaya nga eh, be.
Sandali lang, be.
Kasi
Oh,
di ba
sige.
may ibang schools na yung parang yung electives sa abroad kayo pupunta.
Ay,
May
oo,
iba sa Japan, sa US.
Ay, oo.
Parang
masaya yun.
talaga excited ako for that. Pero alam ko naman na kailangan ko pa i-conquer yung
Yeah, yeah.
biochem.
Oo.
So ngayon, medyo kasi nervyosa ako. Pero I
Oo.
think it's an advantage. So pumunta ako ng recto.
Okay.
Nag-aaral na siya.
Bumili na ng books.
Bumili ako ng second-hand na books.
Okay,
Parang may nakita
okay.
kong parang old guy doon. Tapos parang nasa bangketa lang siya. Tapos lahat ng libro na hinanap ko meron siya. So bumili ako ng lahat.
Oh my God!
So parang meron na ako nung Snell.
Ay,
ang galing!
Netters.
Guyton.
To be fair
May
naman,
Guyton
May
to be fair,
Guyton ka
mga
na.
classic, mga anatomy, hindi nagbabago yan.
Oo,
Yes.
oo,
Pwede pa.
true.
Yung
Hindi-
fish oil,
yung bago naming background.
Ayan.
Ayan. Baka gusto mo.
Kotran.
Yes.
Oo,
Pero
Robin.
Bumili din ako ng kotran.
that's the mini Cotran. Yan yung
Oo.
dala ko kapag nagpa-patho lab. Yan.
Okay,
Oo.
So kailangan ko din ba yan, Doc? Akin na ba yan?
Oo, yes. Yan, yun yung mga ano kasi exciting kapag parang bibilin. Alam mo yung sa Harry Potter. Yung sa Harry Potter, tapos pupunta sa Diagon Alley, tapos
Yeah.
bibili lang sila ng
Oo.
books, di ba?
Eh, may mga ano ka na ba? Equipment? Wala.
Oo.
Wala pa.
Wala
pa.
Pero
Wala pa.
looking forward din ako makabili ng Litman na status
Yes,
book.
yes.
Yeah. Tsaka ngayon kasi parang may sinasabi na sila na, I'm not sure kung tama
Yung
ba yun. Yung
Bluetooth
parang
ba yan?
na-reread na daw pag nilagay, I don't know.
Yes. Meron
Meron
ng
ng
Bluetooth.
updated,
Yes, may
yes.
na-connect sa Bluetooth. Para for teaching din kasi siya. So parang maririnig siya ng
At
students
saka yun
din.
yung na-amplify.
Oo,
Meron bang
napapalakasan.
store dito yan sa Philippines? Or US pa rin? You have
Hanapin
to
natin
order.
sa Lazada, ma'am. Wow!
Hindi, pero yung cardiostat ko, in-order ko yun sa Litman sa Singapore.
Oh, wow.
Talaga?
Shinip pa siya eh.
Ang yaman ni
Oo nga.
Doc.
Hindi, ikaw din may cardiostat ka
Yeah,
din.
pero hindi ko naman ata pinaship from Singapore.
Diba?
Hindi ko
Kasi may
alam.
engraving eh.
Ay, walang engraving
Walang
yung akin.
engraving, oo.
Pero yun, in fairness naman, shout out to Litman. Yung steth namin,
Baka naman Litman.
oo, 2019 ko pa yung binilis. Yun pa rin yung
It's
steth
a
ko
good
hanggang ngayon.
investment.
Yes. And
Litman, oo.
it
Parang
feels,
identity mo din siya, di ba, Doc?
tsaka it feels like, alam mo yun, dala-dala mo for your whole career. Tapos parang, it grows with you. I'm sentimental
It's like
like
your
that.
weapon talaga against
Oo.
everything.
Oo,
Yeah.
tapos parang minsan kapag medyo nakaka-imposter syndrome kasi mag-doktor eh. So parang pagsuot mo, sige, doktor ako, ganyan. Maraming fake it till you make it moments talaga. But it's really nice to see how excited you are. Kasi,
At 29, may ibang nag-discourage din, Doc, na parang it's too late. Minsan naririnig ko pa to from doctor na mismo na I'm gonna have a hard time doing my residency kasi minsan daw tinitignan talaga nila yung age. Pero I don't think so. If you're a good student, diba, and you were able to get your license, nothing is impossible.
tsaka hindi siya bawal. Actually, we have an episode din na we interviewed someone who entered med school late na mga pa-40s na siya. nung
Wow.
nag-med. Yeah. So, I have, wala sa class namin, pero may mga stories talaga who are, ano na siya, mga 40s na, 50s na nung nag-med. And it is challenging, pero tama ka eh, kung gusto mo.
Tsaka malaking what if yun kung di mo itutuloy.
Yeah, di ba?
I know.
Sabi mo nga, there's this ringing na,
A call.
ringing talaga.
Calling kasi eh.
Tinnitus na.
Pero pag call nag-ring.
Oo. So, gusto ka naming tulungan sa pag-prepare.
Oh my God, anong gagawin na
So,
naman
meron
natin?
kaming,
Okay.
meron tayong i-unbox. Wow!
Pero hindi ito stethoscope.
Sorry,
Wala
hindi
kaming
to-
budget.
sorry. Oo, pero, tsaka para makapili ka ng kulay. Ayan. So,
Oh,
first,
unbox mo.
inbox. So, ito muna. Meron kang, buti na lang mahilig ka mag-highlight kasi highlighters yan.
Oo.
Tapos ito, pwede mo yung gamitin sa mga exam para may kit ka na.
Thank you, guys.
Itong,
Good luck na ba to?
Yes.
Board exam na.
itong pen, share ko lang kasi I love pens ha. So, itong pen, Kasi kapag nag-duty, talaga shinare, pag nag-duty ka, hindi
Mawawala
pwedeng yung
yan.
mga...
Ay, sorry. Akala mawawala
Hindi,
yan.
ano ba-
Pero nawawala naman talaga yan.
Huwag mo ipahiram yung mga maganda mong ballpen. Oo. Pero yung mga gel pen kasi, nagsasmear siya sa mga...
Small.
mga
Sa paper.
hindi mo sa paper, pero sa mga cup, ano tawag doon? Mga test tube, ganyan, kapag
magsusulat ka,
magsusulat ka. So ito, hindi siya ganon. So
Okay.
ito rin yung gamit ko nung ako ay
Mamahalin ba to,
intern.
Doc?
Hindi naman, kayang-kaya mo yan. Tapos ayan, highlighter, tapos sharpener.
Thank you, Doc.
Kung gusto mo mag-note sa inyong mga bagong biling snell.
Mali ka in life.
Ayan, ayan, meron kang ganyan.
Uy, nakaka-excite. Parang feeling ko bata talaga.
Oo!
Nagko-color pa ba sila sa histology?
Kasi sa histology may mga
Magko-color
workbook
ka.
dati.
Really?
Hindi ko alam kung
Oh my God.
kung magagamit pa yun. Pero ayan.
Oh my-
Ayan, may page flags pa. Yes. Marami to.
Ay, ito. And then, anong unahin ko? Ito muna.
Sige, ito muna yan.
Ito.
Pag gusto mong kasi may isang study
Pomodoro
technique, ay
technique.
Pomodoro technique as you may know. So, kung
20
gusto
minutes
mo,
aral,
25 minutes
20 minutes
aral.
rest. Char, hindi pa na. Mali yung ratio.
25-5, ayan.
Tapos mag-a-alarm lang siya.
Yes.
This
oo.
is nice.
Ito, dahil endocrinologist ako, ito yung meron ako. It's very
Oh my
basic
God,
actually, pero it's just nice to have something pretty to
Tapos,
to inspire you.
Tapos yung-
Ayan. Ayan siya, mga ganyan.
Wow, thank
It's
you.
from actually PT gumawa nito. Yeah, so kaya naisip din kita. So it's made by a PT. So gumawa siyang PT flashcards. Ayan.
Thank you, Doc.
Yan.
Very helpful.
And aside from a doctor, I'm also a brush calligrapher. So I made you
Writer din siya.
something. Yeah. So this is a poem by Audrey Schaefer. Hindi siya yung complete, it's just a quote. Pero it's called Medicine, and it's one of the beautiful parts of it. I will read it for the audience. Yeah. Medicine is this an awareness of transience, eternity held in a single moment, the moment held with a steady gaze, researcher, teacher, patient, doctor. Yeah.
It's so beautiful. Thank you, Doc.
It's for all the roles you're going to play. Kasi you wear so many hats and you're about to wear even more as a doctor. Kasi yun yung isang na-realize namin, doctor is not just doctoring, it's also teaching.
Tsaka excited ako sa kanya kasi nag-teach talaga siya sa review
Yun
center. So
nga,
feeling ko
yeah.
magti-teach siya as a doctor.
And to be fair, some of my wisest, most well-adjusted classmates were PTs already. Kasi ang dami na nilang
Actually, no. Hirap-hirap ako sa anatomy.
Kasi few lang yung tawag dyan, pre-med na may anatomy na. Meron yung nursing, meron. Pero as in, ano siya, one of the biggest hurdles of the first year.
Cadaver anatomy.
Oo.
The
Tapos,
muscle.
Yes.
bagsak ako nung
Okay
first
na.
exam namin.
Hinihila-hila ko lang sa, ano action mo?
Oo. Tsaka, oh my God, yung brachial plexus na yan.
Ay,
oh my
huwag mo ako
God.
tatanungin dyan.
Oo.
Kinalimutan ko na yung brachial plexus.
Ayan, may
na yan.
lagyanan. Ayan, ayan. Tapos sama namin natin si Pato. Yay! So,
Magagamit ko.
we're so happy. Ayan, sige, sorry. Paligpit muna natin siya.
Kukunin
Kasi
na ba
baka
natin to?
mamaya
Kukunin mo na.
maiwan ko pa.
Pero sana lalo kang ma-inspire.
I am
Things like this. Ito, sorry, old edition na to. Pero,
thank you.
Oo
it's
naman.
history.
Baka ginagamit
Baka,
nila yun.
ay, hindi, okay lang, okay lang.
Thank
Yan.
you,
Hindi ko na
guys.
alam yung mga Orphan Annie, ganyan. Yan. Pero, you're such a ray of sunshine and excitement.
nga.
As, nakakatuwang makita yon. Kasi, ito coming from a place of being old.
Being old.
Ay, nakaka-jade maging doktor. Honestly. As in, a lot of things will put you down. A lot of things
Lalo na
will
sa
discourage
clerkship
you.
na na-anticipate mo,
And
actually.
especially once you see the ills of the health system. It's so frustrating and it's so heartbreaking na parang all your... hindi kita discourage. Parang, sorry.
After nito, hindi na siya nag-doctor.
Tapos dahil kay Ella May, Diyos ko Lord.
Oo.
Pero yun nga, parang
Real talk lang.
sobrang nakaka-discourage sometimes. But it's really important to nurture that light. I always find it enlightening when I find my reasons why. It could be something as deep as your goal, your vision for yourself. But it could also be very shallow. Like, may mag-congratulate lang sa'yo on a good job, on a good day. Or may mag-thank you sa yung doktor. May mag-thank you sa yung pasyente. It's already such a big deal for those bad days. And there will be bad days. Parang isang favorite kong quote ay, the days are long but the years are short. Ralph Waldo Emerson. So, sana ma-encourage ka. Kasi as much as maraming ng doktor, kulang pa. Kailangan pa
that's
rin.
true.
At kailangan natin ng mabubuting doktor. Aba, may pa-quote siya. Na para bang ang tandaanan niya.
Agree. Natuto din ako.
So, thank you so much.
Thank
so
you,
much,
guys.
Rabia.
Ngayon pa lang, I know marami nang ma-encourage.
Sana.
And kung, yun nga, like you na marami nang napagdaanan, marami nang marami nang napagdaan sa buhay ay pinupush pa ding maging doktor. I mean, I hope this encourages those who are watching also want to enter the profession.
Ito na yung sign nyo. Kung nag-isip kayo maging
Yes,
doktor.
come.
ito na.
Join us. Ayan. So, thank you. May gusto ko bang batiin? I-plug.
Vlog? Wala naman. Siguro you can follow me on my socials
Yan.
at Rabia Mateo. That's it. Pero in the following months, I think maging private person na talaga ako kasi I really
love
want to
it.
focus sa studies ko. I don't want to do this for clout lang or para lang masabi na nag-medicine or para lang may validation na matalino siya. Pero I really want to be a good one. A good doctor.
So we'll be seeing less of you after you
Yes.
enroll. So
Bye.
pag wala na siyang post, alam nyo
Ayun
na.
na.
Oh.
Ano mo problema na? Pag nagme-message
Inaaral
na
nila yung
ako
Krebs cycle. Ba't maintindihan yung Krebs cycle?
Krebs cycle, lalabas ulit yan sa boards.
Oo. Kahit di ko siya nagamit ever in real life.
Yan. Alam mo, pwede na sundan yung journey. Wow, journey ba? Check in with Rabia. So, thank you so much.
Thank you,
and we wish you all
guys.
the best
Thank
in
you,
your
Doc.
career. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
So, if you like this episode and this podcast, please follow Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Spotify and YouTube. We drop new episodes every Monday, 5 p.m.
You can also follow us on social media for more chicken updates. We're Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Facebook and YouTube, at Callroom Podcast on Instagram, X, Threads, and TikTok.
And if you have questions, concerns, or chief complaints, open pa rin ang kwento mo sa call room. It's a Google form where you can submit your questions to us. Kung mapili yung kwento mo, pwede namin sagutin in one of our future episodes here on Kwentong Call Room Podcast. So to submit, just find the link on our social media pages. Pwede ka mag-send kung gusto mo. kung may tanong ka.
Hindi, during med school, pag nahirapan ka na ganyan.
No, RM. Ganun. Wow, RM.
And if you want to reach us via email, Litman, Welch Allen.
Oo, ang dami na namin.
Name drop ng mga brands.
Oo.
Sponsorship.
Sino ba mga publisher na to?
Terumo. Pati si Rinch.
Oo, okay.
You can reach us at kwentongcallroom@gmail.com.
That's kwentongcallroom@gmail.com. So, thank you for listening in. Thank you, Rabia, for being here.
Join us in the outro.
Yes, with that, I'm Ella.
And I'm JB.
And this is Rabia Mateo.
And this has been Kwentong Callroom.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.